What's up, CCV kids? We have some bonus content for you.
And this bonus content you didn't see on the weekend, so check it out.
Okay, Gavin, let's now do the ultimate round where we're going to slap ourselves to get the sound, hopefully enough sound to make Mr. Flappy Bird fly to victory. Are you ready? Ready for this?
Are you ready?
That's right, I'm going first. Okay, here we go. All right, here we go.
And here we go.
Ow!
Oh, you got turbo. That slap was worth 32 points.
Wow. I'm
Yeah, your face is a little red.
little red. I'm just really embarrassed. Woo! Gavin, are you
Well,
I feel flush.
I'm afraid that this beard, although it is amazing, might suppress some of the sound.
Oh.
So we'll find out.
That's right. Maybe it's acoustically inaccurate.
Oh, man. I got nowhere.
Now you feel my pain from earlier. 6 points.
6 points.
So
That was fun. I lost that round by
But
far.
did anyone really win? Thanks for stopping by. We'll see you this weekend at your CCV campus.
And make sure to subscribe so you don't miss a single video that we do each week.